Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to change the styling of the author comment inside a WordPress post. So here I have this post, and if you scroll down, we can see that there are two comments over here. One is from John, and this is his comment. And here we have this reply from the author. So this is the username of the author, admin. Now we'll change the styling of the comment of the author. So whenever the author comments, it will have a different styling, and everyone will be able to identify the comment of the author quickly. So let's get started. Here I'm in the dashboard of my WordPress website, and the theme that I'm using is Astra. So here you can see the active theme is Astra. Now we have to add some additional CSS to this theme to make it work. So let's go over here and right click and click on inspect, and let's see whether we have a specific class for the comments by the author. And if we scroll up, we can see that this is a list item, and here we have a lot of classes for this list item, but one of the classes is called by post author. So this class will only be applied to the comment by the author. So now we can go ahead and target this by post author class in the CSS of the theme. So for that, let's go over here to appearance and then click on customize. So here on the right we can see the website, and on the left we can customize this theme. And if we scroll down, we can see we have an option called additional CSS. So let's click on that, and here we can add our own CSS. So let's go into the gallery post, and here we have the two comments, and this is the comment that we want the styles to be applied to. Now we already know that the class is called by post author. So let's target that. We'll type dot by post author, and whatever CSS you write over here will be applied to all the comments by the author. So let's add some styles over here. We'll add a box shadow, and we'll set the values to 0, 4 pixels, 30 pixels, negative 8 pixels, RGBA 0, 0, 0 and 0.3. So we can see that the styles are being applied over here on the right. Let's also add a border radius. So just type border radius of 8 pixels, and we'll also add a border left, and we'll set it to 16 pixels solid, and we'll set the color to 2196F3. So in this way we can style the comments of the author. Now if you publish this, and let's go over here to our post and refresh our page, and we can see that the styles are being applied over here. Now to make it even more specific, I'll just add a text over here called author. So for that we'll just use an after selector. So let's type by post author : after, and we'll set the content to author, and we can see author is being displayed over here. Now we have to set it to the top right over here relative to this comment list item. So for that, let's add a position of relative to this by post author. So here I'll just type position relative, and here we'll set the position to absolute, and we'll set the top to 0 and right to 0. Let's also add a background color. We'll set the same color over here, so I'll just copy this and paste it over here. And let's also add a padding of 8 pixels top and bottom and 24 pixels left and right. And we'll set the color of the text to white and font weight to bold. And on the top right corner we want to have a border radius. So here we'll type border radius 0 for top left, 8 pixels for top right, and 0, 0 for the rest. So that's it for the CSS. Now let's go ahead and click on publish, and let's refresh this page. And here we can see for the comment by the author we have these styles applied over here, and for all the other comments we will have the default styling. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.